Luxury muscle cars. When power meets elegance. Muscle cars are often seen as raw, loud, and aggressive, but some rare models proved that you could have tire-shredding horsepower and luxurious comfort at the same time. Today, we're looking at 3 muscle cars that combined brutal performance with premium style, true kings of both speed and sophistication. 1. 1970. Buick GSX Stage 1. The Buick GSX Stage 1 was a muscle car wrapped in a tuxedo. Under the hood, it hid a monstrous 455 cubic inch V8, delivering a mind-blowing 510 pound-feet of torque. It could run the quarter mile in the low 13-second range, competing with the fastest cars of its time. Buick didn't just focus on speed. The GSX came with plush interiors, power accessories, and refined ride quality. It was available in stunning colors like Saturn Yellow and Apollo White, giving it a unique presence. Despite its power, it drove like a luxury car on the highway. The GSX also featured rally wheels, a rear spoiler, and sport stripes for added muscle flair. It was marketed as the gentleman's muscle car, appealing to those who wanted both speed and class. The Stage 1 upgrade included a higher compression ratio, special camshaft, and tuned carburetor. Today, it's one of the most collectible Buicks ever made. The GSX could humble Corvettes while keeping its passengers in comfort. It was limited in production, making survivors rare and valuable. Its combination of brute force and elegance remains unmatched. Buick's engineering gave it incredible street manners for a car this powerful. The GSX Stage 1 remains a symbol of the rare muscle luxury fusion. 2. 1969. Pontiac Grand Prix SJ428HO. The 1969 Grand Prix was Pontiac's bold step into the personal luxury muscle market. The SJ428 high-output model was the performance king of the lineup. It came with a 428 cubic inch V8, producing up to 390 horsepower. The long hood and short deck design gave it an upscale yet sporty look. Inside, it offered bucket seats, wood grain trim, and advanced gauges. It had a smooth ride thanks to its long wheelbase, yet it could sprint like a true muscle machine. The SJ package included upgraded suspension and performance gearing. It was as comfortable on cross-country trips as it was on the drag strip. Pontiac aimed it at drivers who wanted Mustang-like excitement in a Cadillac-style package. And aggressive grille gave it a unique front end. The Grand Prix SJ could handle sharp corners better than many muscle cars of its day. Its balance of luxury and muscle set it apart from the competition. The interior comfort made it perfect for long drives with serious style. Collectors today love it for its rarity and personality. It was proof that you didn't have to sacrifice comfort for performance. 3. 1971. Chrysler 300 Hurst. The Chrysler 300 Hurst was an unusual but stunning entry into the muscle luxury world. It was a huge, full-size car with a serious performance punch. Powered by a 440 cubic inch TNT V8, it delivered 375 horsepower. The car was co-branded with Hurst Performance, famous for shifters and drag racing. It wore a distinctive white and gold paint scheme with a fiberglass hood scoop. Inside, it was pure luxury. Leather seats, full power options, and a quiet, plush cabin. Despite weighing over 2 tons, it could move with surprising speed. The 300 Hurst was built in very limited numbers, adding to its mystique. It was more about high-speed cruising than stoplight drag races. Chrysler marketed it as a gentleman's express, muscle for the refined driver. The Hurst name added a touch of racing credibility. Its sheer size and bold design made it a head-turner everywhere it went. Few cars blended muscle and elegance on such a large scale. It's now a prized collector's item, especially in pristine condition. The Chrysler 300 Hurst remains a symbol of the big luxury muscle era. These machines proved that muscle cars didn't have to be stripped-down street brawlers to be exciting. The 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ428HO delivered sports car thrills wrapped in luxury, while the 1971 Chrysler 300 Hurst offered unapologetic size, comfort, and power in equal measure. Both catered to drivers who wanted speed without sacrificing sophistication. Decades later, they stand as rare reminders of a time when muscle could be refined, elegant, and still brutally fast.